Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to use SUMIF and SUMIFS function with a sample data set of a retail company. So in this Excel sheet, we have a salary data of employees and the department name. So first of all, download this Excel file from the link given in the description and practice this in your own laptop. So let's start with the sum function. Suppose we want to calculate the total salary of all these 10 employees. How will we do that? So for this purpose, we will use SUMIF function. So we will type sum, and for this we will just select the range, and we have selected the range from D2 to D11 and just press enter, and here we will get the total salary of all the employees. Suppose in this particular case, if we want to calculate the total salary but for the sales department only, so how will we do that? So for this we will use the sum if function. So we will type sum if. So the first argument is range, so we will select our range, which is department, and in this range we want to calculate the total salary for sales department. So we will write here the criteria, which is sales, and the third argument is sum range. So we want to calculate the total salary, so we will select the salary column, and just we will press the enter button, and here we will get the total salary of the sales department. So if we want to verify this, 50,000 plus 52,000 plus 58,000 will be 2,20,000. And suppose in this particular case, we want to calculate the uh, total salary greater than 50,000, but for the sales department, how will we do that? So for this we will use a sum if function. A sum if function is used in which more than one criteria is used to calculate the desired result. So our sum range is total salary, our first argument is sum range, and our first criteria is we want to calculate the total sales for the sales department. So we will select our criteria, which is sales, and our second condition is salary should be greater than 50,000. So again we will select this salary range, and in this salary should be greater than 50,000. So we will just type here 50,000, and we will press enter, and here we get our uh, desired output. If we can see that in the sales department, this 52,000 and this 58,000 is greater than 50,000, so these two cells are sum up, and this cell is not sum up in this SUMIF formula. I hope you have understood the use of sum, SUMIF and SUMIFs function.